All right, in the last part, we left off with this result. Let's keep working on the back of the head with our guides. You can see that the distribution here is a bit uneven, and I always try to keep things even because it's crucial for the guide-based clumping I'm using. So we'll align the guides evenly to match what you see below. Basically, we're building the right shape layer by layer. To create interpolation between guides, just select 2 of them and click Plant. Okay, that matches up. They also need to be at the same height so we don't throw Ornatrix off and can get the detail we need. Now that I've aligned the guides and their shapes, I think I'll add one more guide right here. Since we've moved things around, we need to hit Collapse and select the scalp to distribute the guides properly. Assign a new Edit Guides modifier, and don't forget to set the interpolation to Strand. Go into Roots mode, select 2 guides, and then click Plant. Let's do the same thing with these guides over here. And there we go. That's the result. Next, we'll align each guide exactly where it needs to be. You can hide guides or work on specific ones by using Isolate Selected. Or you can just work on them all at once, and it's whatever you prefer. Just select a guide and start combing. I personally like working individually, so I'll use Isolate Selected to align these guides. If anything looks uneven, I'll use the brush. Select the Smooth tool and smooth it out. Just a reminder, Q lets you select guides, and W toggles the combing mode. Hold Shift+B and move your mouse up or down to change the radius. You can switch modes using the 1, 2, and 3 keys. Press 1 for Roots mode and 3 for the brush. Alright, we've got this group of guides ready to go. Let's keep moving. Let's grab these visible upper guides, select them, and assign them to Group 4. Remember, go to Groups, type 4, hit Enter, and click Assign. Now, enable Select by Group, hold Control to select another group, and use Isolate Selected. Now let's fill in the missing guides to finish building the shape. Besides the Plant tool, you can also use the Create brush in Center mode to place these guides. I'll move some guides around, but first, I'll turn off Select by Group so I can tweak the individual guides. Great, we need to assign these new guides to the group as well to make sure they're definitely in the same one. So, select all the guides again, go to Strand Groups, and set it to 4. That's it. Now, let's start aligning. To be continued.